Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix battery drain on iOS 18.2. So let's begin our video. So I'm gonna tell you some tips, tricks and information you just need to follow. If you follow, you can save your iPhone battery. So let's begin. So at the very first, you just need to check your iPhone. If there have any kind of apps that are totally unnecessary, you just need to uninstall them. Then you just need to open your app store, and right now you just need to check there have any app for update. If there have any app for update, you just need to update them. There you can see on my phone there have some apps that need to update, so I just need to update it. So after update, then open your phone settings and you just need to select battery. After select battery, you just need to scroll down and you just need to check if there are any apps that are running on background. So here you can see WhatsApp, and here you can see there have also this app. It's running on background. You just need to stop this kind of apps. How can you stop them? Just go back and open general. Right now scroll down and select background app refresh, and here you can see I just need to check this is WhatsApp. I just stop it. So in this way you can stop background running app. So after stop them, you just need to enable dark mode. Dark mode is really save your battery. So how can you enable dark mode on your phone? So you just need to open display and brightness. Here you can see I just open it and there have the option dark. You just need to select it. Here you can see dark mode successfully enabled. Right now the last tips, you just need to use official charger to charge your iPhone. If you follow these all tips, you can really save your iPhone battery, also your iPhone battery health. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.